I usually drive around locally with this car, and since we have multiple cars in the family, it's not a big deal if we get a flat tire. That's why I took the spare off. Now I'm going for a long distance trip. I'm going to put it back in. There is a little spare tire compartment there. You put the screwdriver, flip it back, and use the tool from the tools compartment to rotate it clockwise so that the hook, which is hanging on the cable up there, you see there is a hook. There it is. That's the hook for the spare tire. You know, when the spare tire is on it, the weight of spare tire pulls down. But when there is no spare tire, one has to pull on it slightly so that it actually goes down. And it goes. And you rotate. That's how it looks. So you basically let it go out. Somewhere here is probably enough. So that the metal disc is on the bottom. And put it in. And that's it. Lift it up. I don't have to hold it anymore. It flattens out by itself. Adjust its position a little bit. And now you can just tighten them until you hear this characteristic clicks. There, see? Click, click. That's it. That's enough. Then you put the plastic cover and you're done. Now you have spare tire. And taking it off is in reverse order. That's it.